Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the barn out here at St. Bernard Acres. How y'all are? This is Joe from Homestead with Joe. I got a product to look at here that was sent to me by Seesii. You know, the big thing about St. Bernard Acres out here, it is constantly clearing and cutting. So I'm kind of anxious to get this. I'm really happy they sent me this and chose me to show it to you. I'm not going to do anything as far as cutting goes right now because it's been raining so much. But I will show you what all you get. And there's hundreds of videos of people using them, so I know they do work. That's why I was really happy to get it. This, I think they call their 6-in-1 kit. We start out with some foam. So what we have here, I'm using my tractor as a table. This bag we got, oh boy, some safety glasses, a strap, an oil bottle for my bar oil. Okay, I'll use the Husqvarna too. This is, you have all these devices that come with it to go on various handles. This, you can see what this is, like a little hedge trimmer that will just snap on the tool. We have this hedge trimmer that fits on the tool and then on the pole. It's not heavy, that's what I like about it. I have one of these standalone, but it's very heavy and it won't go on a pole. And the battery pack for those two devices I showed you. Those will interchange onto this. There we go. So I know I can figure it out. It snaps on and off. So, oh, that is still lightweight. That's going to be easy to use. A chainsaw. With a little guard on it. Little 6-inch chainsaw. There's 7,000 of these. But what's nice about this one, it has an oil reservoir and a button to put for the oil. That I like. That's nice. Most of them don't have that. You got to oil the chain. So the chainsaw, you have the pole. This will extend out 10 feet very easily. All right. And I don't know if you can, how much of this you can see, but this definitely will reach those branches, all the branches I have to cut. And it's very easy to grip. And any of these devices will slide on here just like a battery would. You just put it on here, and I'll show you something. Let me shorten it a bit. Let me stick this on here. Like so. This is articulating. So you can get a finite adjustment as to where you want it to be when you're reaching up in the tree. If you got to go all the way back with it and reach up, if you want it all the way forward when you reach up, and you can pull down. I like that articulating head. Nice. I hadn't seen one of those before. And then the battery will go down here in the handle. All right. So far, so good. Batteries. 2 of them. Nice. Wow. 2 4-amp-hour batteries. These are the first 4-amp-hour batteries I've gotten in one of these small tools, one of these small sets. 2 4-amp-hour batteries. Fully charged, I might add. It's nice. So if I take a battery, slap it on here. Oh yeah, there's your hedge trimmer. Very nice. I like this. I like how lightweight it is. I can definitely use this. Getting into those bushes, heck yeah. Nice. I think I will stick a battery on the bottom of this pole. I don't have any bar oil in here, but I can give it a couple of shots real quick. Get the cover off of here. It's tight. And let's see what happens. The trigger is down here. Oh yeah. That will get up in there. I like that. And I mean, I can make it even shorter, have better control over it. But if I take this off of here, unlock it, take that off. Take the battery out. Put the battery on the chainsaw. There you go. Now it's handheld and lightweight. Seesii. Hell yes. I'll be using this. Guaranteed. Because I have wanted a pole saw. I haven't bought one. I had borrowed one off of Gary a couple years ago. Really liked it. This one, now I got one. And 2 4-amp-hour batteries. You can't beat that. Anyway, this is from Seesii. This is really going to help when we're out here clearing. This is light enough. Gail can use it. I mean, I'm not going to cut down the forest with it. But, boy, is this going to be helpful for pruning everything, the fruit trees, and just general maintenance, yard maintenance. If I got any discount codes, they'll be in the bottom. This is Joe out here at the barn at St. Bernard Acres. Get this stuff. I'm out of here.